So the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus 5G variant has just made its first appearance, and today we have got a very reliable report. Ice Universe, who is considered as one of the greatest Samsung leaksters, says that Galaxy S10 Plus, codenamed Beyond X, will feature a 6.7-inch display. This is the first time when Samsung will move beyond 6.5-inch mark, and obviously it's something that will attract a lot of customers towards this beast. Now the only question that arises at this point of time is about Note 10's view. We all know how the Korean giant maintain a gap between these two flagship series, and to follow the exact same strategy, we must expect Note 10 between 6.9 or 7-inch mark. The reason behind this decision is unexpected competition arised by iPhone XS Max and Huawei Mate 20 series. But here, I just want to ask you, do we need a display like this? Let me know in the comments down below. And while we are talking about the special 5G Galaxy smartphone, I must tell you that it will remain exclusive to South Korea and United States just because of 5G availability, which is already there in these countries. For those who don't belong to these regions, will have to satisfy themselves by a regular S10 Plus. And yeah, to distinguish between these devices, Samsung will put an attractive 5G at the back of the former one. Most importantly, S10 Plus will take the camera experience to a much more recognized level. To make it possible, Samsung will use TOF sensor at the front and back of this expensive device. In simple words, TOF sensor means time of flight, which is used to detect an object at some good far distance. It's also used to do some 3D stuff, but according to me, Samsung will use it for facial recognition and some photography magic. You can get an idea by looking at P20 Pro specifications. Additionally, there are some real thoughts going on for S10 Plus hole-in-display tech, as we have just experienced A8's ugly hole look. And I'll not change my statement, this is an absolute shock instead of a surprise. So to create some good hopes around us, Ice Universe again showed this productive film of S10, which shows a significantly smaller hole compared to the A8s. The size will be a lot similar to the S8, but with an increased usable screen area. That said, for daily updates like this, you know what to do. Peace out.